Crimping and productivity. We offer solutions for different industrial needs and challenges in the wire and harness industry. Crimping. At Sirocco, we benefit from more than 30 years of know-how in the wire and harness industry. We develop and produce highly customizable tools, devices, and certified machines to solve your specific needs. We prioritize high-quality materials to ensure the rigorous machining of components, and we commit to agile technical assistance. Products. Check our crimping, extraction and insertion tools and wear and spare parts and select what best suits your production processes. Special applications. Our know-how and expertise allow us to customize solutions for specific industry needs. Consult now. See our catalog, choose the product you need and place your order directly with us. Crimping tools. Pneumatic and mechanic. Multifunctional adjusted tools to serve all crimping equipment. Compact design to maintain precision and characteristics over time. Extraction and insertion tools. Ergonomic and functional. Supporting production tools to help with reworking and repairing wiring when assembling. The design of these tools allows an easy replacement at a reduced cost. Wear and spare parts. Quality and precision. High quality and precision materials to maintain their characteristics and productivity over time. Manufacturing processes for highly demanding needs. Type 27. Crimping tool mechanical left side feed. Type 35. Crimping tool pneumatic end feed. Type 36. Crimping tool pneumatic right side feed. Type 37. Crimping tool pneumatic left side feed. Type B35. Big crimping tool pneumatic end feed. Type B37. Big crimping tool pneumatic left side feed. Type 20. Special crimping tool. Type 95 mechanic. Special crimping tool. Type 95 pneumatic. Special crimping tool. Type 95 special. Special crimping tool. Type 97. Special bending crimping tool pneumatic left side feed. Crimping tools for cable harnesses look like a small topic, but in industrial reality they sit at the intersection of safety, quality, cost, and production speed. A wiring harness is the nervous system of a machine. It distributes power, carries signals, connects sensors, and ensures continuity between modules. If one termination is weak, the whole system can become unreliable. The problem is that crimp defects are often invisible. A connection may pass an initial functional test and still fail later under vibration, thermal cycling, humidity, or repeated bending. Typical outcomes include intermittent faults, voltage drops, local heating at the contact point, unexpected resets, EMC issues, or complete shutdowns. These are among the most expensive failures to troubleshoot because the symptoms can appear randomly and far away from the actual root cause. In high-volume production, a small drift in crimp quality can quickly translate into large batches of rework, scrap, warranty claims, and reputation damage. That is why crimping should be treated as a controlled industrial process rather than a manual gesture. Reliable harness manufacturing depends on the right combination of conductor, terminal, and tooling, plus a stable setup that can be repeated across shifts, sites, and operators. Good crimping tools do more than press metal, they apply the correct force profile, produce a consistent crimp geometry, and protect the conductor strands from damage. When the crimp height and compression are correct, The connection delivers both mechanical strength, pull-out resistance, and electrical performance, low contact resistance, which is critical for power distribution, sensors, and data lines alike. Modern crimping solutions also improve traceability and process control. Many industrial systems include crimp force monitoring that compares the force displacement curve to an accepted reference, detecting anomalies in real time. This helps catch issues such as wrong wire gauge, missing strands, worn applicators, incorrect terminal positioning, or insulation intrusion before a defective harness moves downstream. Combined with documented setup parameters, maintenance routines, and verification tests, pull testing, visual inspection standards, occasional microsection analysis, crimping becomes measurable, auditable, and scalable. The benefits are tangible. Consistent crimping reduces downtime and field failures, improves first-pass yield, and stabilizes cycle times. It also supports automation and high-mix production, where fast changeovers and repeatable settings are essential. In sectors like automotive, aerospace, rail, industrial equipment, renewable energy, and electronics manufacturing, where reliability requirements are strict and operating conditions are harsh, robust crimping capability is not optional. It is a foundation for product performance and customer trust. In short, cable harness crimping tools matter because they turn a sensitive connection point into a repeatable, verifiable industrial result, protecting quality, safety, and margins at the same time.